There are 13 pits in the whole of Goa, 9 pits, mining pits in North Goa, and 4 mining pits in South Goa. These are supplying water downstream. Now there are cases of in Bishori and Pali and Sattari where the natural creeper has dried. The next casualty is going to be the Kulaga if this water is not released immediately. I expect that by the end of this year, if we are not releasing the water, the Kulagas and the downstream are going to get dried out.
Drought-like situation.
Drought could be. It is a very severe situation. So, preventive measure will be to pump that water from the mining pit downstream. Now, what has happened is that there are some observations by the bureaucracy that the activity of pumping the water out from the mining pit can be construed as a contempt of the Supreme Court, which has scared everyone. And now the bureaucracy doesn't want to touch it. So as a Minister for Agriculture, it's my duty to be concerned about the plight of the farmers. And as the Minister of Water Resources, my colleague's duty is to see that water is supplied to the farmers. So in this regard, we had this meeting, a high-level meeting, attended by Mr. Krishnamurthy, by the Finance Secretary, by everyone who matters, whether Chief Engineer, Water Resource, by the mining firms who are holding, who have the pits of theirs. And it was felt that we will use the provision of the Irrigation Act to requisition machinery as well as manpower from the mining companies to see that water is pumped out from it. But we are not using the mining department anywhere. We are using a provision of the Irrigation Act. Now a letter will be dispatched by the Chief Engineer, Water Resources, tomorrow. And we expect reply by in 3 days as to when they will mobilize machinery and manpower to do this. This will require manpower and machinery. Costs can also be taken from the district mineral fund.